What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to clean your full Quill Ostrich boots, which is the ones with the bumps on there. All right, so what you're gonna need is this Scout Boot Care Reptile and Exotic Skin Cleaner. There is other ones out there, but this is the one I've been using just because it's so diverse in different skins and you don't have to test it out really. This is really good. And then I got this Angelus brush, which is like a bristle brush. I'm sure you can use any kind of bristle brush for it, just at least this size. And then your toothbrush, just to clean off the welt on the boots. And I got two cloths, one to clean off and one to dry off, you could say. All right, so first, these are brand new, but this is the process. Basically, you're gonna first, make sure they're dust off. So get a cloth, dust it off, make sure there's no mud on there or any dirt on the top. Like I said, these are brand new, so this is just the process on what you would do. All right, and dust them off. And then I got this bristle brush, just to get the dirt off the welt. When they are used a bit, that you are gonna see some dirt in there, so you're using that. Just go in there, take all the dust or mud or whatever you got in there. If it's really bad, you can use like a actual water cleaner or something like that. But this is the best way. So basically, you're gonna clean this off, and again, you're gonna, with the excess reptile cleaner, you're able to actually clean in there too, so nothing happens to the welt. All right. So you just clean off all the dust. Of course, this one doesn't have it again. All right. And then what you're gonna do, pretty much spray the heck out of this reptile cleaner conditioner. This helps the skin actually not crack and mess up or anything like that. All right, so you're gonna spray the heck out of it. Don't be shy. See, it's a brand new bottle, and it's gonna look like a watery skin, you could say. All right, I'm spraying the heck out of it. You want it to go in there really good. And if it turns dark, it's gonna be okay. It dries off after, right? So check it out. It's all nice and watery. I spray them really good. Nothing happens when you do a little bit extra if they're really dirty. And again, if it gets on the welt, it's okay, even if you have the color stitching, all right? And you kind of want some in there just to make sure you get all the dust off, all the dirt. And then you're gonna rub in a circular motion. That's what I do, circles. And kind of just, clean them. And then go in there, make sure it goes in, like, the conditioner soaks in there while you're cleaning them. All right. You can see it's me just going in there. And once it's kind of off, it should be good. You could use the toothbrush to clean in there. I'm just gonna use this Angelus brush. And again, if that white stitching is fine, it's not going to turn the color on there, right? Cool. And it's going to be shiny this way. It's going to be all good. And then you just get another cloth. You just wipe them down. And it's okay if you get a little bit of that cleaner up here. Just wipe it down. And like I said, it's okay if you get it in here too. And you want to just clean off. There's going to be dirt in the little crack here, so you don't want to make sure all the dirt's out of there too. Cool. There it is. Boom. And that's how you clean and condition your full Quill Ostrich boots. All right, if you have any questions, let me know on the comments below. See ya.